Life in the wild is a constant, unyielding test. Every creature, big or small, faces daily challenges. Finding enough food to eat is always paramount. Avoiding the fate of becoming food for another is equally vital. The African savannah, a land of stark beauty, is the vast stage for this drama. Here the rules are disarmingly simple. Survive. Only the fittest, or perhaps the luckiest, will greet another sunrise. This unforgiving yet magnificent environment shapes every single inhabitant within its bounds. The drive for sustenance is relentless. Energy is the currency of life here. Animals spend a great deal of their time searching for it. A single missed meal can lead to weakness, and weakness in the wild often invites danger. The sun beats down with fierce intensity. Water sources can be scarce, often miles apart. These natural elements add further layers to the daily struggle for existence. Every calorie consumed is precious in this world. Each animal has evolved unique adaptations to cope with these persistent pressures. Two formidable predators share this sprawling land. The lion, often hailed as a symbol of raw power and regal majesty, and the hyena, frequently misunderstood, yet remarkably intelligent and incredibly resilient. They are natural competitors. They often find themselves in conflict over precious territory and vital food resources. Their relationship is an ancient one, complex and deeply ingrained in the ecosystem. Observing their interactions reveals so much about the delicate balance of nature. Their presence defines the very rhythm of the savannah. Imagine the intense heat of the midday sun. The air is still, heavy with unspoken anticipation. A lone lioness, lean and sharply focused, meticulously scans her domain. Not too far away, a spotted hyena moves cautiously through the tall, dry grasses. It too is alert, constantly searching for any opportunity that might arise. Unknowingly, their paths are set to converge. A timeless drama, played out countless times, is about to unfold once more. This is the raw, unfiltered essence of the wild. The lioness spots the hyena in the distance, her golden eyes, instruments of precision, narrow with an intense, unwavering focus. She is a true master of the art of stealth. Every muscle in her powerful, athletic body is coiled, ready for action. She begins her stalk, her body held low to the dusty ground. The tall, pale grass of the savannah provides her with perfect cover. Each deliberate step she takes is measured, completely silent. Her objective is singular and clear. The hyena remains unaware, for now, of the impending danger. Hyenas, however, possess extraordinarily keen senses. They are ultimate survivors in this challenging world. The hyena suddenly freezes its movement. Its large, rounded ears swivel, trying to catch a faint, unusual sound. Or perhaps a subtle shift in the direction of the wind carries a telltale scent. Its finely tuned instincts scream out a warning of danger. It lifts its head, its eyes scanning the surroundings urgently. The savannah might appear calm on the surface, but the hyena knows the deceptive nature of this peace. It tenses, prepared to bolt in an instant. Then the lioness explodes from her concealed position. She is a blur of tawny fur and sheer unadulterated power. The hyena reacts with lightning speed, spinning on its heels to face the threat. It flees for its very life. The chase that ensues is swift and incredibly brutal. Puffs of dust kick up from their pounding feet as they race across the plains. The lioness, perfectly built for short, explosive bursts of speed, rapidly gains ground on her quarry. The hyena, well known for its impressive endurance, pushes its physical limits to escape. In this direct confrontation, survival strategies are laid bare. The lioness aims to deliver a swift, disabling bite. Her immense strength is her primary weapon in this contest. She may let out a thundering roar, a sound designed to intimidate and unnerve her fleeing target. The hyena employs evasive tactics, zigzagging across the terrain. It desperately tries to evade the powerful jaws of the pursuing lioness. It might attempt to reach dense cover or even turn to snap defensively if it becomes cornered. Its strong neck and shoulders are defensive assets. In this particular encounter, let us imagine the lioness is successful. The intense struggle reaches its inevitable conclusion. To us, this outcome may seem harsh, even cruel, but this is the unvarnished way of the wild. Such events are not driven by malice or ill intent. They are fundamentally about survival and the critical task of maintaining balance within the ecosystem. The strong prevail, ensuring that healthy, robust genes are passed on to the next generation. The entire ecosystem ultimately benefits from these raw, natural interactions. Lions and hyenas play crucial roles in their environment. As apex predators, they are essential for regulating the populations of their prey species. This important function prevents overgrazing by herbivores. Healthy grasslands, in turn, support a multitude of other species, from insects to birds. The very presence of these top predators is often an indicator of a healthy, thriving ecosystem. Removing them would trigger a cascade of negative effects throughout the food web. The delicate balance would slowly but surely unravel. Today, however, these magnificent ancient predators face a host of new and serious dangers. The relentless expansion of human populations increasingly shrinks their natural habitats. Poaching, whether for trophies or for body parts used in traditional medicine, continues to pose a threat. Climate change is altering their landscapes and the availability of their prey. Consequently, their numbers are declining in many parts of their range. The dramatic wild showdowns are becoming rarer. We risk losing these iconic symbols of the natural world. We, as humans, have a profound responsibility to protect these incredible creatures. Supporting dedicated conservation organizations can make a tangible difference. Educating ourselves and others about their importance is a vital step. Advocating for stronger wildlife protection laws can provide them with greater security. Reducing our own environmental footprint helps preserve their world. The future of lions, hyenas, and countless other species depends directly on our collective commitment and actions. Let us strive to ensure their powerful roars and their unique calls continue to echo across the savannas for all generations to come.